Good medical morning. This is Watson, and today we're taking a look at some of the internet's newest and greatest tonsil stone removal clips and images. While I show you the top 5 clips of the month, make sure to order a tonsil stone removal kit with the Amazon link below. The link will take you to the only kit I trust with my tonsils. It's the absolute best, and don't settle for cheap knockoffs. Check out the link below. I hope you enjoyed that. Again, check out my favorite tonsil stone removal tools. Don't accept cheap imitations. There's a link below. Now let's take a look at some of my favorite tonsil stone removal pictures.